Hey everyone, welcome back to Northridge 4x4. I'm Tech Tim, and today we're diving into the new Zeon XD winches from Warn. These second gen Zeon winches, well, they're the next evolution of the Zeon winch. They are engineered, tested, and assembled right here in the USA, right in Clackamas, Oregon. Now at first look, the new XDs appear to be very similar to the first gen Zeon winches. And Warn's been building those for years. Well, they are very similar. They're similar in looks, size, and weight. However, when we take a deeper dive into the new XD winch, you'll find that the changes, well, they're substantial. One of our first questions whenever we're looking at winch specs is going to be the line load ratings of the different models, or how much can these winches pull. Well, the first gen Zeon winches, they were available in an 8,000, 10,000, and 12,000 pound models. These new XD winches, they're available in 10,000, 12,000, and now a larger 14,000 pound version. Now, the second thing we always look for is going to be the rated load line speed, or how fast does this winch pull under full load. Well, these new Zeon XDs, they feature a new high-performance motor and a redesigned gear train. And that delivers faster, full load line speed, and that's going to be up to 5 feet per minute, and a blazing fast no-load line speed of up to 40 feet per minute. And that's the fastest in its class. Now, the next thing we want to look for in a winch is going to be durability. And these new XD winches have a few changes to make them even more reliable. Now, gone are the old school paper gaskets from inside the winch. They're now replaced by OEM automotive quality O-rings. So like the previous model Zeons, these XD winches are rated IP68 for continuous submersion down to 3 feet for up to 30 minutes. But they now also have an IP69K rating for high pressure spray. And all of this means that it can handle the roughest and toughest conditions without even breaking a sweat. For electrical reliability, these XDs feature the proven all-bright contactor motor control and bus bars, ensuring top performance every time you use this winch. And to control that all-bright contactor, you're going to get both a durable, waterproof, corded remote with a 12-foot lead, and you're going to get Warn's hub receiver that will give you over 100 feet of wireless control, and you're going to pair that with that free Warn hub app right on your cell phone. Now, this ensures that you can operate the winch safely, even from a distance. These new Zeon XDs, they're built with upgraded automotive-grade corrosion-resistant black fasteners, and they have UV-resistant bus bar covers, and that meets OEM grade specifications. Now, they also feature full metal armor, and that's going to protect the internal components from impact and damage. So you can count on it in any off-road situation. Now, the winch rope duties, they're handled by Warn's Spydura synthetic winch rope. It's strong, it's lightweight, and it's easy to handle. It also features a heat-resistant inner covering, and it comes with an abrasion sleeve for added durability. To guide the rope, the new upgraded Warn aluminum fairlead is made from forged T6061 T6 billet aluminum. And that's going to provide superior resistance to corrosion, impact, and UV exposure. Now, that Spydura rope is going to spool onto the proven aluminum Zeon drum. It's going to dissipate heat faster, and it has Warn's patented through drum rope anchoring system. And that's far stronger than the traditional bolt anchoring setup used by others. Now, we've shown this drum anchoring system before, and we absolutely love it. Now, to protect all of this, you're going to get Warn's industry-leading warranty. And that features a limited lifetime mechanical and a 7-year electrical warranty. So it doesn't matter where you're at. If you have a problem, you know it's going to be backed by their global service network. Now, as mentioned at the start of this video, the Zeon line of winches are designed, engineered, and assembled right here in the USA. at the Warn factory in Clackamas, Oregon. Now they're built using higher quality parts, and many of these parts, well, they're American made. And it's all to make sure that the Zeon XD winches are strong and reliable. Now, of course, those American made parts and that American assembly, well, that's gonna come at a higher cost. So that brings us to the question, is the Zeon XD the right winch for you? Well, I'm here to tell you, that depends on you, your needs and your budget. If you plan on using your winch a lot, or maybe I should say, if you plan on hitting those trails that may force you to use your winch a lot, well then you want the Zeon XD. Now if you have a budget for a top-of-the-line winch that can handle repeated heavy pulls, day in, day out, even if you don't plan on using it that much, well then the Zeon XD is for you. However, if you don't plan on using your winch much, and you don't have the budget for the Zeon, well then we're going to encourage you to take a closer look at the Warn VR Evo series of winches. They're designed and engineered at the Warn factory, but they're manufactured overseas, and that's so they can compete with those winches that are in that lower priced winch market. But they do come with the Warn name and that Warn reputation. So if it's time to add a winch or upgrade the winch on the front of your 4x4, well, we encourage you to take a closer look at the new Warn Zeon XD line of winches, and we've got them here at Northridge 4x4, and we can have one to your door in just a few days. All you have to do is click that link down in the description box for more information. Now, if you like this video, you know the drill. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you're not already, and then hit that comment section. Let us know, what do you think of these new Zeon XD winches from Warn? And let us know, would you like to see us put one of these on one of our rigs and get it out on the trail and abuse it? Well, of course you would, but you gotta tell us. Thanks for watching today. We'll see you again soon.